Hey y'all, it's Holistic Beauty RN. I'm a registered nurse here to give you useful information based on the research. So enjoy!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Holistic Beauty RN. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a super defined 2-strand twist. So enjoy! So I've got my do-it-yourself flaxseed gel here that I made with you guys as you've previously seen. And so I'm going to go ahead and install, or rather do some mini twists, 2-strand twists throughout my hair, in the back of my hair. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not doing no braids or nothing like that. I tend to use the revised version of the lock method to moisturize my hair. If you guys haven't seen my latest video upload, the one before this, which is 2 methods of how I moisturize my hair directly after shampooing and in between washes on dry hair, go ahead and check that out at the link above. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair in the same way, like I said, using the revised version of the lock method. So the L for the leave-in, which in this instance would be my flaxseed gel, DIY, as you guys just seen me prepare. Then the C would be for my cream, and then the O for the oil. Since I've kind of gathered a small enough section to my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle that with my brush here. This is my Felicia Leatherwood brush. But this is a very good detangling brush that I love to use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the hair from roots to ends, starting with the bottom of my hair, working my way up. And then I'm gonna take my flaxseed gel. Y'all, look at this. Look at this gel, oh my goodness. This is gonna create some amazing holes. Place that in the section of my hair, and immediately it just moistens my hair. Then I'm gonna get my DIY shea butter cream. If you guys haven't checked out that video of how I made this, go ahead and check the link above. So I'm just gonna get some in my hands and put that in my hair. I'm gonna get my DIY oil. So this, make sure I didn't do a video on this, but it's basically jojoba oil with some castor oil, peppermint, and rosemary oil to seal and lock in that moisture in the hair. And once I've done that, I'm just gonna brush it out to ensure that the product is evenly distributed. It's gonna go ahead and 2-strand twist the hair, as you see. Go ahead and 2-strand the hair from beginning to end. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a twirl with my finger, as you can see there. You guys, so I am midway through my hair. Just kind of want to show you what I've been doing in case you guys are wondering why my hair looks like this after I've been twisting it. So after I've applied the flaxseed gel, the shea butter cream, and the oil mixture, and detangle the hair, and I twist the hair. So this is what I'm doing, just so that you guys can see how I've gotten to this point. So 2-strand twisting the hair as I've been doing. until I get all the way down. Same way. And then what I do is, when I get about 2 twists in close proximity to each other, so you see how I just separately 2-strand twisted those? Now I'm going to take those 2 twists and twist those together in a 2-strand twist. So this is going to ensure optimal hold and stretch of the twist. Y'all can see that, right? Okay. So I'm 2-strand twisting those 2 twists together until I get all the way down. And then, as if that wasn't enough, I am going to take a bobby pin. And I'm going to find a place to put this to stretch the hair. So I'm taking it, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it over here. And then I'm just going to bobby pin that hair, and it'll give it that extra stretch because I don't want too much shrinkage, especially with the look that I'm going for. All right, you guys, so I am done twisting up my hair. So this is what the final product looks like. In the back, remember how I did it? I took each separate 2-strand twist and I combined it with another twist and twist those 2 together, and then I stretched it and bobby pinned it in place so the hair could have so much definition and stretch to it at the same time. And now you guys will see what it looks like after it's all taken down. Stay tuned. Hey you guys, welcome back. So it is the next day. So remember when I was installing these twists, this is how it looks the next morning. So I just had tied it up in a silk cap, got ready because I'm ready to go out. And let's go ahead and take this down and see the final look. How y'all holding up in this quarantine? Are y'all doing all right? Hope so. Hope y'all are staying sane and doing y'all best to really make the best of these moments. You know, find a new hobby, spend more time with your kids.
You ain't got no choice but to do that, right? Because they not in school.
But I hope y'all are holding up all right. I'm so excited to see how these twists look because this is the first time that I've ever done them like this. So
We're going to all find out together.
as far as what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go get some groceries because it's about that time, you know, get some essential goods. And I figured, you know, since I'm going to have my cute little hair, gotta come right, you know, gotta come right. Just using my castor oil, which is my go-to oil, to ensure that there's no frizz as I'm taking these twists out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run that in my hands and go ahead and remove these twists. Let's see what it do. So this is the final look, y'all. So I just went ahead and decided to, I just pinned up one side. So as you can see here, I just put the pin here, pinned up one side. I got my bangs, pinned that up a little bit, kind of left a little curl here, little curl down here. I'm not gonna do my edges, and then I don't want to put no gel in my hair right now. I just want the full natural look. So this is the final product. You know, I'm thinking about doing a video shoot. Actually,
That's not a bad idea.
I think my next video, because I'm gonna rock these twists for at least a week, you know, especially I'm gonna probably do, that gives me another idea. I just came up with another video, so y'all stay tuned. One of my videos I plan to do is how do I maintain this hairstyle, especially when sleeping with it overnight. And then another video that I'm thinking about, what are 5 ways or however many ways to style this hair. This is one way, as you can see, kind of half pinned up, half down. So let's take a look. Don't forget to check out the links below so you can see the products that I've used. You know, I have links to where I bought some of the products, like my flax seeds. You know, if you guys are interested in where I got my flax seeds for this DIY flaxseed gel, if y'all want to see where I got my essential oils, all of that, don't worry.
I got y'all. Check the link below and y'all see. You'll see it.
So until then, you guys stay safe. Peace, love, and happiness. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.